Hi everyone, today we are going to be making some, what? Drumroll please. Whatever, that was horrible. I'm slime, so get all my stuff out of the way. My slime might be dry, I'm just going to let it dry a little more, however. Nice. Yeah, I got me some polish. And I do need some glasses. Since I didn't do it at 3 a.m. since my alarm didn't ring, I'm doing it now. So, Claire glue, baking soda, eye solution, and you're going to need lotion. But I have some. This is in my book bag. Trying to keep the bottom pocket. I'll see you guys when I get everything straight. I have everything straight, and right now I'm going to pour in all my glue. I'm so happy I am making some slime. So yeah. Now it's kind of getting clunky. They don't want to come out. I'm just getting all out before I put in the water. Yeah, all's gone. Now I'm going to put in the water. I have the water. We're about to pour it in. 1, 2, 3. All water. So we won't need more. Okay, got 2. 1 for stir, 1 for what? And 1 to put some stuff in. Yeah, it might work. It'll work. So, and some eye solution. Yeah, I like slime. I love slime. If I ever go on tour,
is this something we gotta say?
no. If I ever go on tour, I'm just saying, bring me slime. That's the only thing I'm gonna want. Have to put in the lotion. Done. Because slime's not coming out like my last one, but it's alright. It's just slime. It's not gonna last that long. I love it. You really take care of it. Whoa. It's like so warm. The slime is so warm. Like you can do. It's more eye solution. It's like I'm about to run out of eye solution, but it's alright. So I'm trying to get. Look. Is it pokey? Nope. That means I still need mix. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Now this is what you call scratchy though. I use the lotion, so that's why it's probably sticky, yeah. And it's really warm. Really warm. And it's pokey. I'm just still mixing so the whole bowl will up with slime, so I'm going to leave this one clear. You want to know why? Because I'm going to be done with slime gold. Because I don't like just plain on slime, so yeah. So I'm going to put some, yep, it's pokey, alright. It's sticky, alright. Because I put that lotion in. some eye solution. There, get it out. Okay. Now, get this off of my hands if I can, and mix it. My slime turned out really good. I'm gonna put some baking soda in it. If I can get it. All the slime. Yeah.